This is problem number 3, and if you know your formulas, it's a pretty straightforward algebra problem, but they do make it a little bit more challenging with the exact nature of the question that they ask. So we're told that both Eric and Mike at time 0 make deposits into an account. Eric deposits 100 that earns semi-annually, and Mike deposits 200 that earns with simple interest. And we're told that they earn the same amount during the back half of year 8 and to find I. So here's how I went about this one. We have Eric, the value of his account at the end of year 8 would be written out like this. And so any growth that took place during the last 6 months would really just be the difference between the amount at the end of year 8 and 6 months before the end of year 8. So that is for Eric, and then for Mike, it would be the same thing. We'd have the total value of the account after 16 months, or 16 periods, 8 years, but broken into 1/2 year chunks. And we'd have the same thing. It'd be the difference between the end of 8 years and 6 months prior to that. So, first thing to do is handle these constants out front. I'm going to divide everything by 100 to get 1 plus I over 2, and I'll go ahead and simplify that to 16, minus 1 plus I over 2, and that simplifies to 15, equals, divided by 100, so that's 2. 2 times 1 plus 8i minus 2 times 1 plus 7.5i. All right, so from here, I'm going to factor, because there's a simplification waiting to happen there. So factor out 1 plus I over 2 to the 15, and that would be the same as 1 plus I over 2. There's my first term right there, right? So there's 16. I factored 15 of them out, so I have 1 left over. Minus, I factored out all 15, so there's only a 1 left right there. And then we can simplify here pretty easily. 2 plus 16i minus 2 plus, not plus, but minus 15i. 15i. There we go. And then let's simplify further, right? 1 plus I over 2 minus 1. The positive 1 and the negative 1 cancel. And then there's like terms over here. So we have 1 plus I over 2 raised to the 15 times I over 2 equals positive 2 and negative 2 cancel. 16 minus 15 just leaves I. Now we multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this right here, 2 over I, which is going to cancel the i's and just leave 2. So 1 plus I over 2 raised to the 15 equals 2. We take our calculator, and we're going to take the 15th root of 2, which gives us 1 plus I over 2 equal to 1.0473 or thereabouts. Subtract 1 from both sides, leaving I over 2 equals 1.0473. Multiply both sides by 2. Wait. Subtracting 1 gives us 0.0473, and then multiplying both sides by 2, we get a value of I that is 0.09458, and based on our answer choices, that is closest to 9.46%. So the final answer here is C. So pretty straightforward. I think it's really just getting the algebra right, and with like a lot of the problems on this exam and any other one, before you can get the algebra right, you've got to set up an equation that's actually going to answer the question that you were asked.